today is different.
Okay. Why? Because you get lost?
I don't see that way.
You don't see the way to it? Uh-oh.
To get in. Asking is
That's
free.
him, yeah.
Shikamo. Jambo. Nzuri kabisa.
Mambo.
Shwari kabisa.
Karibuni wanangu. Habari za huko?
Iko.
Wewe ukishafika huko mama anakusemea kidogo. Za huko bwana. Habari za masiku.
Eti nilikuwa naulizia kuingia kwenye ile Waterfalls ya Songota, ile njia ya kuingilia. Unapita kunaingia kwenye nyumba fulani hivi. Alafu unakuta kuna truck iko mbovu imepaki hapa.
Sasa ukifika hivi unapanda
They're so beautiful.
unachukua utajikuta. Unaandikwa Duserani. Cha kanisa. Unapanda hiyo barabara.
He's trying to tell us how to get to the waterfall, you guys. Songota waterfall.
Unafika nyuma kidogo. Utakuta kuna ramani kama hiyo unasema.
Si njia imeingia hivi unapofuata hapo kuna ile nyumba watu wanataka kulipia pale kuingia Waterfalls.
Ndio sasa unapata njia hiyo kwa urahisi.
Hao ni hapa.
Kwa urahisi mfere.
So loji.
Kwa urahisi mfere.
Kuna nyumba fulani pale wanalipia alafu tunaingia chini kule.
Wewe ukishafika kumaliza mlima. Kuna barabara inapanda. Ingia unaacha hii barabara unapanda hivi. Naenda moja kwa moja.
Itakupitia kwenda hivi moja kwa moja.
Nishakuja lakini sio mbali hivi.
Karibuni.
Haya.
Tunaomba mmezunguka tumepitia.
Bye. Thank you for the time.
Mzee. Chukua. Mama amekupa hapa ya chai.
Asante.
Karibu.
Asante.
Karibu.
Mnatokea sehemu gani?
Ametokea Marekani.
Haya. Thank you very much.
Karibu.
Asante.
Wewe umesema nani ukipata mlima tu inakuwa kushoto.
Mlima. Hiyo barabara mkono huu. Barabara ya kwanza utakayopokea. Nayo moja kwa moja. Utauliza sehemu njia ya kwenda
Sio hiyo inaitwa Songota.
Songota Falls.
Sawa.
Ndio. Huu mto ndio unaitwa Songota.
Poa.
Lakini hapo unapouliza na baba.
Haya.
He's so sweet.
He's so happy now. Maybe he got 1,000 to the pocket. Abruptly he got 10.
It's okay. It's their elders, so
Yeah, that's
they're
good.
very sweet.
That's good. When you do something like this, you get more. But for me today, it looks different. I don't know why. Sure. Oh la la.
I think we're here.
Come boss.
Karibu.
Asante. You can just come in front of there. Yeah.
Whoa. Yeah, I need to take my time. You stayed with me.
I was gonna get it fixed,
Okay.
but I don't know where a good one.
You just look for it. You guys, it's absolutely gorgeous here. Absolutely gorgeous. This is Tanzania, Arusha.
Songota Waterfalls.
So you guys need to book your plane tickets and come. Even if you don't want to stay and live, if you just want to get away, Africa should be your first destination. And Tanzania should definitely be one of the first places you visit. What are you doing? Zach, you're supposed to stay with me.
So we are just heading to Songota Waterfalls.
Okay. Yeah, Songota Waterfalls.
Waterfalls.
I was gonna stick my hand to get the stick, but there's snakes. No, I'm joking.
There is no
It's too
snake.
far.
Yes, there are. It's impossible. He said there's no snakes. Look at you guys. Look at this. Gorgeous. Peace. Serenity. Beauty. Alkepilan. Home. Sorry, watch out there. There's a bush meat there. No. Oh, my son just wastes water like all over the back of my leg. It's okay, it's just water. I'll just say a bee is not gonna bother you.
Oh la la, pole, pole.
Okay, you guys are trekking here. Just wanted you guys to see the environment. This is Africa. This is Alkepilan. This is home of our ancestors and our home, because we are our ancestors. Look at this.
Exercise.
Oh, I don't mind walking. Oh. Sorry for the bumps, you guys, but I don't have my stabilizer with me. You know, you guys, I'm gonna get Becca, okay? Because he's playing with me. He's telling me that there's a lion, okay? He's not being very nice. He's not being very nice. Listen, if it was, it would be survival of the fittest. So listen. No, I'm not running. Listen.
You're not running.
No, it entices them. If you run, it makes them run after you. No, then I stand my ground.
You're gonna be like the next time.
I'm gonna be whatever I need to be to survive.
Slowly, slowly.
Very slow.
Wow. Okay, hold on, you guys. I'm gonna have to stop the video and I'll record when I get there. Guys, we've reached the waterfall. Take a look at this. I'm trying my best here by watching my steps here as well. Oh, sorry, you guys. Very slippery. Let's go. I journey through our country. Yay, we made it! Look at this, you guys. Look at this. This is our home. This is our home. You don't get this in America, KKK. You definitely don't get the beauty of the people. They receive us so well here. They were so gracious to us here. Very welcoming. Imagine just coming here and just sitting and thinking, just having a moment of peace to connect with nature. This is Arusha, Tanzania. This is home. This is our land. This is where we belong. This is where we belong. Look at the home that we have. I'm gonna walk a little closer.